So in case y'all couldn't hear me with over the truck noise, so I'm gonna switch the turn signals out with these ones. These go, once you use your turn signal, these just go amber, and once they're off, they go back to the bright white. Which mine are just white, which I'm gonna switch them because they're pretty old. So I'm gonna switch them out with those, and I'm gonna show you how it is to take these off real quick. Alright, so today they sent us these. You know, amber white switchback. You get amber, white, or red, but I got amber white switchback. They're T25s or 3156. It came in a box, but I already threw that one away. Or it was a bag, a box or a bag, one of them two. They look like this. On their website, it is $49.99, 50 or so. You can save yourself % off of my code, which I'll throw it on the screen so y'all can see it. Multiple colors, are just pure white. Later on I'm gonna try to get this one and this one too, because I think this one's just, I think you could hook up these two to work together. All you do is press this down, twist it, and it should pop out. Messed up or something, I think. There we go. Pops out like that. No, they're not that hot no more. Pops out. This is the old one. This is the old one right here compared to the new one. You can see it's way, the AUXITO one is way bigger by a lot, as y'all can see. Just put the open one there. Got this one. I don't think they got a certain way they go in, so we'll just see if it just pops in. The new one is right here, and then as y'all can see, the old one is just like pure white. So I honestly like these more. I'll show y'all later at night how they look. You gotta just slide this into that little thing, and you should clip back in like that. This one should just pop off and then slide it out like that. Same thing, just twist it. Twist. There we go. See, pop it out. There we go, old one. I believe they don't have a certain way to go in, to be honest, but I think they actually do. Hold on. Alright, once you wiggle it around and it's tight, just pop it back in. And then all you do is put your cables back how they were. First, before you pop it into that corner over there, you want to pop it into this one. Make sure it slides all the way in. It should slide back in like that. I'm gonna just show y'all how they look with the, how they both look. turn signal turned on, it switches back to that. That one will stay white. Unless you have both of them on for emergency, then they'll look like that. I need to switch this one so they can match. I don't like how it's two different colors. Link in the bio. I'm gonna drop the discount code right on the screen. I recommend it. It changes it. All I need is these ones right here, really. So those could switch with that and it'll be set. It'll be perfect.